Sanibonani, welcome to KZN Tonight podcast. Igama lami nguKini Shandu and izinto esizikhuluma la kwi-show sikhuluma ngezinto ezithinta kakhulukazi isifundazwe sakaZulu Natal. Ziningi ke nezinye sesiyithinta ezithinta ngaphandle kodwa into ebalekile kithi isifundazwe ngoba ukubaleka kwesifundazwe kuthina kusho ukuthi kasifisi ukuthi ngelilanga siyithole sesifana nesifundazwe sifana nabo Eastern Cape ngoba hayi kusho ukuthi izinto ezibhedile. Angihambi ke ngedwa ngihleze ngihamba nensizwe enkulu. Abanye abantu abaningi mabembona bacabanga ukuthi uDr Zibajiyane kachacha akusiyena. Mavuso. Shafu zethu.
Right kunjani mfethu?
Great kakhulu mfethu. Sibuya kwinyanga enkulu uJuly bathi abantu bekufana lokuthi unyaka nje wodwa uJuly.
Yeah kubekuningi okwenza eJuly
Yeah.
Kodwa kai umuntu wabayinsizwa ngoJuly kwaba umkhwana nje.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of guts to face corrupt people.
True. True.
Do you know ukuthi abantu aba corrupt they throw everything at you when you expose them.
True.
They can even kill you. They start balandi icashalala zabo bayinika inamba yakho zithreatenishe.
Okay, zenze yonke into.
So if uweki nje ungagcina uthe ngenza into wrong kanti ke one good thing about fighting corruption.
Yeah.
Umulala ulala kahle ukhululeke ukuthi
at least at night.
Yeah, ukuthi at least they have done something good for the province and the country.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so abantu abanye omkhwanaza abande nje ezweni ungasabi kulokhu nje expose corruption. Bakusabi singalendo ukuthi bathi hayi sofa la ompompi ngeke uzohlu uzohlela umuzi nemoto.
Yes.
Manje kwathiwa ngizohlela umuzi ngo2023 nemoto. Ngisanda kuthenga nje futhi manje.
Oh so bad. Lana sowuhlola. And we have guests here namhlanje. Sike sakhuluma ngaye kakhulu on the show. So mentioned some of the things. Asihlebani ke thina siyakhuluma, sikutheke na kwi video abantu bebone and then masusho uthi hey nikhuluma kanjani nami ngingekho. Action SA obuso bayo like KZN ngihleze ngifisa ngathi ngabe ubuso bayo national.
Babethi lapha endlini uzwakela uyi leader Action SA national ngathi bafuna umkhatha bazomkhatha nomashaba
manje. But do you know ukuthi abantu abaningi they still believe ukuthi iAction SA ekazwakela.
I'm telling you my kids they mabebona uzwakele nje babechathi umholo Action SA ngabachaza athi no iAction SA iphethwe egoli upresident waMashaba. National chairperson uMichael and then no Dr Mbare as a deputy now. Then uzwakele uLiza I mean uLida kwaZulu Natal. So my kids they used because mangibuka indaba nabo baba khona. So all along nje emqondo nabo ukuthi uzwakele elakhe leqembu.
Yeah bengithi uzochuthi ndena opposite icethe ke uzwakele. Judge zwakele mncwango mfethu, welcome to KZN Tonight podcast. Yabonga kakhulu mfethu tube nathi namhlanje sakwamukela.
Angibele mfethu Kini nawe Mavuso ngibonga ithuba. Ngize ngifike nami la ngoba ngezwe nje sengibuza ukuthi abantu bangi-blue tick. Hayi khona abantu hayi bakubuyisa amafilimu wepolitiki. Hayi yabona ngathi mangibuka into yenu I reflect. Ngathi yes. Hayi khona ba-blue tick. Khona is true mfethu. Yabona mawusebenzile mfethu kwi-campaign.
Yes.
Usebenzile. You can't expect into yenzeka kuma-election.
True.
And I think into yenzeka kuma-election even the so-called political analyst and those abenza ama-projections ama-elections akekho wayicabanga leya nto leyana. I think I'm not sure whether mhlambe we undermine uZuma kakhulu or what, but I think MK short some flames. All of us, not only Action SA by the way. I think mina I'm just saying this openly. You know, membership yethu Mavuso siye kuma election sine membership ego 28,000 KZN. Now uyamagina ukuthi you are sitting lapha ne ICC NF Center. You are struggling to get 10,000 votes.
Because
we 28,000. And you keep saying, where are these members? You know,
bafana nabe-FF ukuthi banabantu aba-100 ebranchini ngiyabekisa kodwa mase kuyiwa kuma-by-elections bathole 14.
Exactly. 14 mkhulu 7.
No abantu basebenzisa ama-flames in fact ayikho iqembu elingakaze li-affecteke by MK nelilodwa.
To interject nje, do you know ukuthi MK na next day it is still going to cause a major upset? Bayinaki le lokubanhlanhla kwabo lezi nkana. those guys, they are angry and they want to prove a point next year.
Yeah.
I can bet now ukuthi la eThekwini will be the largest political party. If you are kwaMashu, you hardly see anyone ogqoka isikipha se-ANC lapha. If you enter uZuma uyenanda, you hardly see umuntu ogqoka isikipha se-ANC. Mawumbonile uvela ubone ukuthi insizweni esibindi ke le impela engathi.
Futhi abayisabi rhetoric.
Yeah.
Thina into enzakalayo, I think into ebis affect kakhulu. I understand, I mean, what in the ufuna ukuba honest kubantu kakhulu. Kanti abantu afana noZuma don't care.
You know.
They say afuna ukuyuza umuntu. Uyabona mabuye for example, ingane izinto abazisho from election like
Nothing.
amend the constitution. We had a chance to amend the constitution. You get in MK but amend the constitution. The campaign yabo, you must amend the constitution and all those things. But they are no way.
Yeah.
Now, into engabezisho abasayikhuluma manje. So asabukhuluma thina sifuna ba careful.
I think they are
To diplomatic, I don't know.
I think they are true politicians, where whatever they say there, sometimes mabeshintsha bebheka le manje nina zwakele nina morals ninonembeza ninomuntu you trying to make things right, and some people are all about vote. Once I got my vote, I don't care ngizobuya ngibone futhi mase ngizocampaigna sengicampaignela the next election.
That's why they even change their numbers.
Like thina inkinga yethu uma ufuna umsebenzi ufika kumina ungenawo mhlawumbe matric, I may be honest and say no, go and do your matric.
Yes.
Kanti lo muntu omunye hayi uzothola umsebenzi na vote wena umuntu. Benza ba honest hey hamba ufunda.
Good one. Zwakele mfethu, one of the reason sikuthokozela kakhulu ukuthi sibe nawe indlela osebenza ngayo to uncover the truth kwisifundazwe ngayo yonke indlela. Maniqala kuyeshi action say some people would not remember this, that the campaign yabantu bokufika action say yona eyayiqalayo.
In fact, ilikas kaMashaba.
Ilikas kaMashaba, yeah.
You know, if Mashaba angashona namhla, one of the things that would always be recorded against his name is the fact that he cleaned Johannesburg and Johannesburg worked under him. I remember what at that time frequented Joburg, it was in Clara 2 weeks there.
Yeah, so the chips.
Wawufika lapha uhambe edrobheni ebusuku.
Yes.
Yeah. Khona nje restaurant engangithanda ngale ngase Carlton Center.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll walk from there, we'll be at the park station. It's a how train. The way Mashaba cleaned Johannesburg. So you are right, Mautika, legacy yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ile abantu bokufika ekutheni babekhala ngokuthi abantu ama foreigners are undocumented. Kumele abuyele emuva. Nama foreigners lawa angenaso iskill abasilethile.
Exactly.
Asikho isidingo sabo. They even use ama examples abantu bamabhaba ukuthi asikho iskill sokugudika.
That's not a recipe.
No, true. You know, those things uMashaba why fighter esekwi qembu elidala.
Yes.
And uyabona when a passion.
Yes,
Exactly.
Iyalento ayenza. Kangokuthi some of ama position ayewathatha. Ayemfaka enkingeni. Remember by that time angiseva namku executive at that time, federal executive.
Yeah.
Now you will find ukuthi kune discomfort. Kubantu abaningi. Because remember umukhuluma nge-illegal immigration kuba nokusaba kwabanye ukuthi hey yes ungakhuluma mhlambe illegal immigration but umukhuluma ngayo nje honestly it's not about Africans. There are other Europeans abantu basuke west abala illegal in our country.
In fact, Cape Town.
Exactly. So now kwakunefear yokuthi yabona bayafuna ukuthi lento niyenze kodwa manje futhi how do you manage it?
Yeah.
Ukuthi ingazi wena umhlanga ayisale ibheke lama Africans. So ona lo reservation yayikhona ingakho ukuthi iqembu uma ukukhumbula kahle awukazi uzwi iqembu ne position yokumsupport fully uyabona but wayekwenza and I think what noma ephuma ezinye izinto lezo ezenza ukuthi nathi sibuthayi this guy besebenza naye and he was fighting for these things and he believed in them. He wasn't taking a mandate yokuthi iqembu lithi wayenza into yena ayifilayo enye into ayikhona futhi encathi ayibibe i-challenge lapha ukuthi as a fighter ukuthi ama-building awabuyiswe. The question was who will benefit of those buildings.
Exactly.
Yena wayethi awanikezwe bani abantu abamnyama. Uyabona? Then kube nalenkinga manje yokuthi no i-resistance ke manje ukuthi usiwaclaimile ke manje
then
uyabona. So nanokuthi you will find ukuthi nakhathi leso he had a very good relationship with the EFF.
Yes.
Must be honest with you.
Exactly, I remember.
They had a good relationship to a point yokuthi I remember he will come and present to executive some of the proposals. Yabona mayike wathi
The EFF
the EFA support
endorsed it.
10 of abantu. Yabona she got it wrong. But he would say, but I'm governing with these guys.
Yeah.
You know, we form government with them.
Yeah.
So now kwakunenkinga yokuthi laphana wena usebenza ne-EFF kodwa manje abantu abafuna ukuthi kube open usebenza nayo futhi.
I see.
Kodwa manje yakusupport.
Don't give them credit.
Kangakuthi na yabona nje into engikhumbula kahle eyamshaya kakhulu yazi uconsa kune former party yakhe yile yokuthi konento yokuthi mayenza ibudget. He will allocate more money ko Alexandra ko yabona
Indaba bengayifuni
manje uthola ukuthi yena bazomfocus why honesty ke nowangazokufihla. And I think one thing that I learned ngokuthi why it's good ukuba a leader independent away from politics ukuthi you stand your ground. Yabona there's one thing wangifundisa ukuthi yazi ukuthi ukuba uyipolitiki une backup kuyasiza. Mina ke is one of the mayors who will come as a presenter. Abe nje bold and stand. Ukuthi hayi ke mana ngifuni lokhu mina ngizokwenza kodwa. Hayi wangasabe ngifuna ngamanga. Wayesho kahle mangifuni yazi khona other day asho khona kanje ngikhumbula ethi emeetingini ethi hey mina I'm just a mayor. I don't know into the branch. Can't come here and sit to come branches. Mina ngose ngesivisa se Johannesburg. Yabo, they don't even know what the branch inabantu abangaki. So if someone was clear ukuthi I'm not a politician.
I'm not going to come in.
I'm here to deliver. Yeah, no.
Like I understand something I don't understand.
Uyabona khona if you expect me to spend money cutting grass sentient in Alexandra, if I'm Alexandra kulungisa abantu izindlu, hayi khohlwana. Kanje. So that's someone who's bold to say and I'm deliberately empowering abantu. So lento ye illegal immigration, why fighter from there and waphuma nayo nemesiqala election SA and he was bold in his stance. Ngoba lento le ifuna ukuthi ama leaders are bold. Ukuthi no, our country is being hijacked by foreigners and he was clear also ukuthi foreigners doesn't mean ukuthi yena ukhuluma abantu abamnyama base Africa.
There's so many
there are Chinese. He was even clear ukuthi ya Chinese taking over. Pakistan.
In fact, if you go to Cape Town, kunama gangs ase Eastern Europe, ikakhulu le gang yako Bulgaria. You know how dangerous those guys are? Yeah. They are the ones who are behind the e-drug trade in Cape Town.
The cartel that is happening there.
Exactly.
Yo, Zwakele, let me start with so many issues engifuna ukuthi singene kuona. But njengamanje you are busy with the issue ye Nedbank Cup tender that was issued to a former employee of eThekwini. And why is it such an issue to you? Because you are part of a council and ezinye inqumo eshawa lapha kwi council ngomunye wabantu abazaapprovayo, whether ke sometimes seyakudla based on a vote kodwa usuke ukhona kusuke isinqumo collectively, and abantu bakhala ukuthi but the city made so much money out of these Nedbank Cup nje, from PVAs to hotels to place and I mean to stadium itself but there was so much revenue and whatever the city gave compared to ROI that happened there, we should be thankful of that decision. Why you feel like
can't be thankful of corruption? Look, you know, it's always this thing ba highlight kakhulu ama gains as a means of hiding the corrupt means. You know, yes, there are gains. Whenever kuna activity in there are spin-offs. You know, kuna metro there are spin-offs. Whatever event there are spin-offs. But it doesn't mean then kumele sithule if kuna bantu benefiting ngendlela engekho right.
I see.
Because one, for example, I was never against ama PVA mean.
Okay.
I believe ukuthi if kuna magame njengalana interest abantu they enjoy uba ndawonye, it's fine.
Bunjani.
You know. But the big question for me started ukuthi
My processes.
first of all uNedbank awukwazi ukuthi abazange ba-announce on Monday bethi umgqibelo dlala igame. They announced namaviki.
I
I
remember.
can't remember how many weeks, but they
It
were
was almost a month.
A month, or
month,
so.
you know.
Yeah.
So now, remember, umasipala on a process. Yoguti, if you can't go to open tender processes, you can still via quotations. Yeah, one. So in this case, umasipala had a choice of doing quotations. Remember, quotations they go to public as well.
Yes,
Anyone can put a quotation.
Yeah.
So the argument for me was, why all of a suddenly there's this award whenever seen this thing, we never heard about this thing, you know, kanjani, uyabo. Now, bese uyalandela uyathola ibe. Kunikezwe ikhampani ethize but akaze kube open tender, akaze kube na tender process nama quotations. Then you start to dig. Kwenzakaleni la, uyabo. Then
bafele bakhombana nje.
and then what I did, I wrote to city manager. Through the normal process. Remember, good process my rules of order. You can just write to city manager through the speaker. That process issue ukuthi amamuzo ibuzayo must be responded to in writing. And imibuzo ibuzayo kumele ize kwi council. Or if speaker decide ukuthi city manager respond directly when I can do that. So in this case it was a matter of okay, city manager must respond to me directly. And I did receive a response as city manager. But what was interesting ukuthi one ngakunembuzo yokuthi na what process was followed. What confirm ukuthi no, they never opened tender.
I still remember that letter.
And what confirm futhi ukuthi na how much was it? But where it became an issue for me was when he said they can't disclose the company. And remember, Kini, once itender awadwa, I say only imfihlo no more imfihlo. Ingakho even through open tender processes, once you award, must file an application to inform abantu publicly ukuthi na company awadiwe if there's own objections. Uyabona? So awukwazi ukufihla lokho so awadile bese level in event. Then I said there's something wrong here. And they made me dig because of those answers. Ukuthi khona into efihlwa lana ngoba why will you hide this information? You answer everything. But this one answer is then through ukupusha ukulandelela uyabona then kwase kuyaveta hayibo nayi le company isi kanje and me tell you interesting part
Yes.
do you know ukuthi mina ngiposte igama le company after ngilithola from I report eyakade sichaza I motivation yokuthi how they awarded this company.
Okay.
And mind you, city manager was saying they just used Section 36. But here, the department is saying, bona ba pick up nje company. Ekade yenza Masaka Games. That's what they are saying, bona. Because Section 36 uneigaba. Une emergency. Bese kuba ukuthi it's sole supplier, ukuthi umuntu ongenayo ekomunye ngamthola.
I think that deviation khona lapha.
Deviation onka deviation. Kodwa onka deviation o3. Kodwa funeke ibe ifithe kuloko u3. Ukuthi it's impractical to go on tender, like for example kuthiwa disaster kanjena impractical lapho uyitender or mhlambe na into yakwa LG mafuna uyikhanda ukwazi uya enye indawo funa LG so supply funa kuye khona yebona or emergency. So now those are conditions. So let's tender ye screen I meet any of these conditions. Now bona bathi ke laba baya bathela company ngoba uphuthuma kodwa I meet any of these requirements. Yabo. Now inkinga ngiqala khona manje ukuthi ke masuzo mina mase ngiposta that thing kwakhona obhalayo I didn't even know this person was khona wabhala wathena khona wabusa
Again ubani
ubona wasemasipala lona kwakhona confirmayo on my wall mase ngiyalandela hayibo but I didn't want to quickly talk about it. I didn't phenya into ngilandelele mase ngilandele thwa no lo muntu owasebenza la yabo no wahamba naye kune cloud yaba khona
yabo ozakwethu asande well they are still working on investigator le ukuthi wahamba kanjani khona ama allegations akhona sazathi nje kusafuna kuhlanganiswa lapha nalapha
yabona so now but the question is here it can't be coincident bafethu ukuthi ngathiwa umuntu ubekade esebenza kwi department it doesn't matter how long she was there the very same department and the very same unit but public works lona ne unit yawa sports now this unit ayisebenza kuyona phela kuyona awada yena futhi then we say it's a coincidence ukuthi akuyona ngitender yini le nemenze so confidence ngayi ukuthi she can deliver uyabona yini le benzele ukuthi lo can deliver uyabo
obvious it's a friends of friends yebo and
possibly they're throwing each other in. I'm sure you know the strategy of throwing each other in kwamasipala nakahulumeni they awarded tender and then imali bayilande ngale suspicion.
But by the way also bafethu can you on my event bafethu nangenza my event screen is screen yabona
asikhe
now abantu abelapha yana if you ask ukuthi kwakunani it was a screen sound kuphela.
Exactly.
There was no marquee.
Kwakungekho nje isihlalo.
Kusho ukuhlala. I remember even I saw the pictures of Mayor when
Mayor wayefike ne-camp chair.
Exactly.
Yes,
So now
Cyril.
you ask yourself.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ufika kanjani ke kwi screen C1 the preview one more than 1.5 million. Even 1 million ufika kanjani lapho? Because when you ask abantu abenza
Ngale venue they were not renting it kamasipala.
kamasipala.
At that time ayisanda clean ngoba usanda qoshwa amaphara.
Yes. So now uyayibuza ke manje ukuthi udlule kanjani? Mabuza abantu abenza lama events uthi yababuza bakujetha hayi no khohlwa.
Ngeke
Awufika 300,000 lana.
Exactly. Yeah.
Especially uma ukuthi nje wena mhlawumbe une screen sakho, your first screen sakho you won't even get.
But ke sekacaca ukuthi lapha mawubuka le pricing yakhona athi kwakunokhathi babantu lapha.
Yes.
Akuno card. Akuno card. I think manje sokuthi na silandelele ukuthi oba ningakho mina ngithe let me give to CIU to investigate and they've confirmed. I saw his email ka head of CIU. They also created ama reference numbers akhona ukuthi now they are digging because okubalekile ukuthola ukuthi
Bangababulali bo.
obani aba behind all these things.
Yeah.
Because clearly but the problem ekhona mfethu ukuthi inkinga qala ukuthi nakhona kwi council you spoke about ama council approving these things. Unfortunately ama councilor awangeni lapha approve ama tender. I was shocked to see mina uMaspala communication. I think maybe she was out of anger or was I don't know why. Yes, because she's been a journalist. She knows very well to councillor approve my tender. I was shocked for her to give us a response and later accusing even journalist ukuthi misquote into ibhale phansi wena and so the bottom line is
interject wezwakele one of the things that I've learned over the years, you know, lama journalists la good in terms of investigator. Maybe as a newsroom, once they join government they become something else. I saw someone I used to respect the chairman, very good in investigating. But all of a sudden say Kitangoma Lomden is defending corruption. But bengidlula nje lapho.
ngiyamazi nami ngimhlonipha abantu ngisamhlonipha futhi very good.
But say Kitangoma manje.
Umngani wami futhi.
Say Kitangoma.
But ngiyamazi.
Straight Kitangoma.
But it's issue ukuthi na here when these things come before ama councillor ke manje for oversight. Are we able to do our job? Uyabona because uyabona ngingasho nje cishe izolo kwi-meeting ukuthi inkinga ekhona why we can't end the corruption komasipala is because officials know ukuthi when it comes to oversight politicians will defend them. Because if we can stand together as politicians in council and say this thing is wrong, it must be investigated, whoever is behind this must be held accountable and there should be consequence management in place, you will never have corruption. Corruption is why lokho ukuthi abantu bayazi hayi was defend ama
I guess zoom in Mavuso to eThekwini. Zwakele kaningi ukhala ngenkohlakalo enzakala eThekwini. Akuspendele isithombe nje kumuntu even ungahlala eThekwini noma ufika eThekwini but who doesn't understand the dealings of iTheku ukuthi lenkohlakalo lehleze ekhalwa ngayo almost every year.
Ijule kangakanani?
Ijule kangakanani?
eThekwini. Remember ukuthi when you started as a councillor from
2011.
Yeah, and they have always been exposing these people, bringing in evidence. That's why they can't even sue you anyway. I still remember, I'm sure you still remember Sabu Esco, ngikhavi Esco lapha nakhona lela councillor lesifazane lahlalela ukuthuka nje. Yazi umuntu oyenza lo wayefika kuba namakhekhe lapha exponent. Wayesukuma nje amakhekhe abe yahlalela ahle abuya athi wena zwakele ukuthi mina but this is not what we are discussing here. Indala le babe ikhabhali ke abakhulu ababekhala kwakuyikhabhali, so you could see ukuthi hey khonakele kakhulu wena ubuthi umuntu etafuleni ukuthi abazohlala ke but anyway proceed how deep is corruption apha eThekwini.
There's always someone ohlala kumaka mina eThekwini angazi indaba namanje khona nje
eneke ojabula mangabe abantu bekuthuka ngoba kusuke kusho ukuthi ayikho enye indaba angayenza ngaphandle ukuthuka.
Look, I think corruption is very deep. You know, mina I've analyzed the Manase report because Manase report highlighted inkinga eyikhona and how corruption is deep in my systems. But if failure you implement a recommendation in Manase report has resulted in
the total near collapse of the city.
Yes,
the city has nearly collapsed now. It has to at some point service providers won't be paid. basanenhlanhla ethi abasebenzi basakhokhelwa manje yabona mawuzazi
khona abakhokhelwa ngoba beyenkantolo.
yeah they have to go to court in eThekwini yeah paid
yeah so but uyabona i-corruption i-deep ngoba uthola ukuthi kuma-units
Yeah.
kunama officials othola isebenza ko supply chain
Yeah.
anumasipala unama unit supply chain each department ine supply chain wakhona
Yeah.
kunama officials who's been these positions for more than 15 years 20 years aka apply position eyanyukayo
Akafuni
ngoba uyazi ukuthi uyena okhiyela ama invoices uyabona so ukuze invoice idlule hayi ngoba kodwa yenza etheni ukuyibeka nje phambi ka header sayini
Yeah.
kodwa mina khokhelwe lokho nje funa khokhelwe
mawungakhokhanga ayidli
okhanga ayidluli uyabo ubecele nje ayithi yabo so wenza umsebenzi wakho wena
Yeah.
but someone ufuna khokhelwe ongenzile nje umuntu asayini yabo so it's so deep ngalo ndlela ke ukuthi you'll even see I lifestyle yama officials akhona kwamasipala ukuthi aphila empilweni bese kuzoba nalento yokuthi ke ama officials have understood I weakness ama politicians ama politicians eza komasipala with empty stomach
exactly
yabo now uthe fika umuntu bavuma ama favors
uthwena liveni
ngeke ngithi mina yes
uthwena liveni sihlalo uzokwazi ukuthi manje ku BGM la esha abantu akhona nje iunit engeke ngisho egama ngoba isaphenywa official yakhona nje very junior all of a sudden she was driving i-bucket tote ngoba wathenga ijeep ngoba wathenga uBM ngoba wathenga umzala
Yebo dodo.
yo
In a space of a year.
yo i-boyfriend yakhe yathi buya lana bonakalisa ishanga ngalama golf lawa ngathi lawa afana nama Hawks niyazazi ni imoto ini le ehamba
Golf 5, she said.
yeah I was oh okay but yeah proceed
angithi baqala kanjalo bakusoft nje ngento elula kuthiwa chief ngalo kuna conference ye region uzodinga ama resources
Yes.
izoqala icaba yabona nje masokhuluma resources conference you lose ethical values from there because secabanga the next election
Amathulusi.
yabo how do I come
yeah
no
they call it amathulusi
but any khona kini why now Mavuso corruption is so deep you know I argued this thing mina for years with ESCO
Yeah.
leyo ukuthi we can't be coming to ESCO with an item wena ohamba uyidiscuss ne regional leadership engekho la kwi council where uzositshela wena ukuthi uzofika nento yabona sizohla kwi ESCO
Yeah.
khona nobhala we region okuyikhokha ANC bakhokha nomobhala region so mawufika la kuthina uzozwani kuthina
Ayikho into esilisazoyisho.
ukuthi
You already
iyenzeni.
programmed.
yabona
Yeah.
nalento yokuthi Mavuso wrong
Yeah.
I always argue mina and I always say even with Action SA angifuni ukubona yenzeka
Yeah.
and even namanje it's a principle we took as Action SA
Yeah.
we govern Tswane no official I sit on executive we Senate no official ever come and account to us thina umesla naye ngokugovernance wetsound now I problem ekhona ke komasipala abaningi
that's why Tswane is working now
ilento yokuthi mfethu ama officials komasipala must go and account to a structure separate it's not only ANC doing that by the way
Yeah.
even IFP do the same thing
Exactly.
where officials go and account there's something wrong which deep in the corruption because remember here why ngithi ama politicians kuba nzima to hold officials accountable ikanje into lena awukwazi ukuthi city manager ungamlisa ngecorruption ekubeni wena as organization
Yeah.
umbuze wazi ukuthi city manager iqembu lakuma election 2026 sidinga imali yokucampaign ayenze ibe khona imali uthithe phela imali le uthapha uyamthumela wenza corruption angithi wena as a leadership uthawenza corruption so uma sokunama investigation eyinsolo evela sebeyabhalwa Mavuso ngazo so kumele lo muntu uminvestigate umcharge uzothini kuyena ngoba wena umthumela corruption uyabona uzoyidisclose mhlawumbe enye ngadisclose enye kodwa kusalayo ukuthi wena accept corruption
Unesandla nawe kule.
exactly
Yeah.
so up until omasipala iqedwe lento yokuthi futhi ifuna the political parties to do that would know let's draw a line
Yeah.
officials must remain officials
Yeah.
no officials must come and account to a political party and also appoint them officials because they can do the job so good because uyabona mayor they have a responsibility to share I manifesto yeqembu no city manager. Awudingi city manager eziqembini yena wakhe. Yeah, but they can say, look, this is what we want to achieve. And the end there,
Yeah.
akumele zafikela kuthiwa khona le tender kumele ikubani ngoba kuyaziwa ubani donetshela ku-organization. Yabo. Nalento yokuthi uyabona i-product funding yayizama ukuqeda lento leyo but ayisizi because most parties are moneyed or disclose.
And they now move imali around in bags of
Cash.
and then just ngikaze ngikhodlo ezwakele kuna ihamba kanjani le tender security eloku inga-awardwa la eThekwini ngoba ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bake baqoqana lana ama-officials bayohlala le Drakensberg bayodiscussa futhi babengavumelani baphinda imephi ngoba phela sakhumbula ukuthi iloku i-extendwa ngenyanga noma 2 but akekho ofuna nale tender ngoba it's worth billions.
Leya tender mfethu uma uthi walandela commission zonke commission kunenkampani that was paying a senior politician angifuna umusho manje wena yamazi oba public value
Yeah, no, it's public information.
wayemnika 1.4 million ngemonth.
Exactly.
Then you ask yourself if unika umuntu 1.4 million ngemonth uthola malini wena yabo so lama companies mina ngifika emasipala ngo2011
Yeah.
ayekade abakhona ngifika vele mina
In fact, that
ayesexpire.
company, if you go to amahholo asemalokishini right now, uyona ekada wona kuphela.
Yeah. So now there are few companies alapha kwi-system. And what they do, assisted by politicians, by the way, some politicians, ile yokuthi every time anti umnika 3 months
Yeah.
advertise.
Yes.
Sebefunde i-trick yokuthi interdict these things, appeal the process. Yabona
Frustrate the process.
advertise be frustrate process beyinkantolo benze nje sebe yabona sebehlangene. So now that thing is permanent for them. I can tell right now, if I'm mistaken, cishe ngo 2008
Yeah.
around there. Indala thina mfethu indala.
Indala.
And it's been there.
It what?
Uqinisile Mavuso.
Yeah.
Billions.
No billion, not billions of rand. Because let me tell you, those guys don't invest less than 400 million
Ngenyanga.
ngenyanga.
And they get paid like
Yeah.
ama-employees.
Yeah.
Makuthiwa i-invoice yakho kwa-25 yakho.
Yeah.
Without fail.
Ayikho kwetwayo. They get paid.
Mawufuna ukaze by the way mawubuka lento lena mawufuna ukaze le company esikhuluma ngayo ngoba asifuna ukuyiname athi uboye eholo langakini elokishini ufike ubuke le company ekade
Yeah.
leyo company leyo uyibona ke iname ebhaliwe zimhlophe isebenzisa amanisana ama hard bodies.
Oh wow.
Just go
And
to
and unibona ngani ukuthi they are protected by politicians. You know when we move a motion to insource, they quick to say no we can't do this, going to be expensive.
Yeah.
That's a lie. Because even now it's one they are insourcing. They are saving a lot of money
by insourcing.
by insourcing. So now uyabona umuzoti yabona manje I can tell you companies. The reason why umasipala ungafuna uku-insource yingoba they know they benefit lama companies lana ngoba for example right now
Yeah.
uno month-to-month contract
Yeah.
which is easy. You can insource even tomorrow ngoba abana legal standing.
You just
they,
give them
no they can't charge masipala.
Yeah.
Ngoba vele abana contract. Yabo in fact it's not even like so kuthiwa sebenika 3 months no. It's a month-to-month
Month-to-month.
automatic renewal contract. So meaning there's no contract with them basically. So even tomorrow ngathi masipala
Just an agreement.
We're now employing ama security ngaphakathi masipala, we're no more outsourcing, they'll be out of the system on the same day.
Manje uthi ama kickbacks awuqhamukephi?
By the way,
Thing leyo.
do you know I was checking i-paperwork yaleya company.
Yeah.
Ngiyengibekise ke ngelokishi la kwamasho ngoba ngahlala kakhulu kulona.
Yeah.
Izinto eziningi ngeke uze ungidide ngazo
Yeah.
every street sakhona.
Yeah.
Ngangiwabuka lama documents before baye eDrakensberg bayowa discuss khona.
Yeah.
Cause bayazi nithi they under surveillance those guys inkosi yami. Bahamba bawa discuss lama documents.
Yeah.
Kufike kuthiwe lapha na le company lena ihall ligada ngabantu abawu4 kuthiwe oyedwa unesibhamu abanye abanazi ibhamu. When you get there ufike uthole udriver ohamba ngaleli van lakhona elimhlophe. Enelinye security ngala. But kamasipala they are claiming for 4 or 5 security guys.
So kunama ghost employees.
Yeah.
Wow.
They are claiming for 4 or 5. Iholo nje elikhulu kwamashu elazwayo la kwa M no L kunyala ngasenyala mall. Lela holo lela I think lifanele kadwa abantu abawu5 but if you can go there now ungafica umuntu oyi1 noma abawu2.
No drive.
Yeah. Mawunenhlanhla
Secret net drive.
mawunenhlanhla ufica kuno driver walela van labo ne security bahlele sangweni but at most nje ufica kunalomuntu ohlala lapho yedwa.
They don't care.
Yeah,
Because
they are
no-
claiming 5.
Remember, they don't care anymore ngoba akasekho soyinakile contract le. It's one of those things where you know what, it's a permanent thing for them.
You just say,
Yeah, you know, it's one of those things. Don't even worry about service. Yeah, but bottom line is that thing have created a situation yokuthi corruption ibe norm kwamasipala.
Mengisathi sazobuya lapho ngokubona kwakho. Isayobuye iphele inkohlakalo komasipala noma njengabantu we need to just accept ukuthi inkohlakalo is something esizophila nayo komasipala kakhulukazi nje thina njengabantu abaphila emhlabeni webha umasipala ubalekile kuthina.
I think insidinga obaholi abanonembeza. If we can have more leaders who have unembeza, abafisayo ukwenza into right, futhi aba understandayo ukuthi it's okay ukuphila impilo
a normal life.
I mean normal.
A normal life. I'm getting my salary and then ngihlala nengane zami ku 3 bedroom.
Accept impilo yami.
And
inkinga kine khona.
Ufuna ukuba rich.
Inkinga sinawo politics yi1. Uthi wena usebe uyikhansela. Ufuna ukukhompyutha nomuntu wenza amathenda. Yabo. Now usufuna ukuyohlala emhlanga. Wena ukhetha uhlala eMayville emkhukhwini. But now usufuna ukuhlala emhlanga nawe njengomuntu owenza amathenda. Now uyakhompyutha nawe nabantu abangekho level yakho. Yabona? And in that process of trying to compete, we are compromise wena yourself. Ngoba manje ufuna ukuphila impilo ngeyona. Yabona? Kanti kubalekile kini ukuthi abaholi bafunde ukuthi you know what? Ngingene la ngiphila lempilo. It's okay. If kukuthi ungena amasipala azonginyusa kungibeke lapha, akungibeke khona kodwa kungabe sengifuna ukueda mina okunye ngaphela khona.
Sekusekhona umuntu.
That's the problem kini kuba sopolitiki abaningi. They want to be quick ukuthola imali and before ba rich overnight. And end of the day, most of them, if you go and say, let's do lifestyle audit.
No.
Yabona, how many times I've been calling for lifestyle audit? Even a shamthetho obenqaba ukuyenza. Yabo, even ngomasipala. Manje, let's do lifestyle audit. Akesiye sonke so politiki nje. Let's veze isiphila kanjani.
Kubaninga uzobuza le monto ikhokhela kanje.
Because end of kini uma nginezingane, yabo. Nginezingane ngiyakhokha ibond.
Yes.
I must able to show ukuthi ngikhokha kanjani.
Khokha kanjani le bond.
Yabona?
Ingane ngazokele. Ziqoke igqoko ingane ngazokele esikoleni. Uyabona? Ba private school la.
Bathokula box.
Bathokula box ngezandla ingane ngazokele.
It's okay. But I must able to say
ukuthi just you touch
le mali, uyabona? Yabona if ukhe bond unomuzi in a suburb. Able to show ukuthi how you pay this bond.
Unengane se Cape Town.
Unengane
university in Cape Town.
University. Kanjani?
Ina basari.
How do you pay? It's okay, but as long as we can justify
ukuthi
ukhokhela. The nice thing kini ngoba ikhansela. Awuviji uba nebusiness.
Nakho.
Yabona? Which is a nice thing. But have a clean business then. Why you must have a business sense unohulumeni?
La okuyena okhona kwena.
Yabona? Uyaphosana uyanqaka ngalo.
Ngalihlaba uyalicela.
So it's okay the business, but have a business. Yazi ngihleke kini khona omunye even na izolo. Khona omunye wekhongolose uthi kumina uthi wena mncane uyasihupha kodwa nje yabona nje samele siyobhela phakathi gesi yabo. I think in their mind ukuthi just because I'm a engineer gesi so therefore and they know I got a business but one thing I'm proud of I don't even know how to fill a tender my document. I've never done a business with government. I don't even do a sub because the corruption ukuthi your sub anomunye umuntu anetender. No.
So uyaqala ubona ukuthi kazi mangase kube yimina ngatholeka kanani.
And I always say this, lo mshoyo nje ku-S kwathatho njalo. Bethi siyazi umncango nemathenda kagesi, ngoba singenza ugesi, yabo.
That one was I think the decline of the ANC started there. It started there. Uzokutshena off the record ukuthi ubale sikhuluma ngayo because eventually she was promoted by Shamthetho. Shamthetho. That person was blank. You know the only thing she will do she will insert uzwakele kuphela and
but that's a issue uzwakela posting ngayo on Facebook where ekade khuluma ngendaba ukuthi yena ama councillors okungenana babe ne post qualification.
Exactly.
Because into njengalezo they are basic report that they need to understand and read and understand and contribute. Now then kushimbuzo eminingi ngoba sibuya South Africa lapho khona sike saba no president ono sabi. And most uqala uraise ama questions kanjani ku-ease abantu bukudismiss ukuthi but hayi umsholozi naye uke waphatha izwe ngo standard 2. So angazi ukuthi should that be a prerequisite ukuthi umuntu ongenani ube ne post qualification as ikhansela?
Unfortunately, before uzwakale aphendule, I think if you check the constitution, ayikuvumeli lokho. The only qualification you need to be in office, in public office, you should be a South African and be of sound mind. Yeah. Check it. Yeah, that but ke bona draft a constitution babe nganako lokuthi at some point umasipala would be taken over by rogue elements. Because bona babe nalento ukuthi nje ama political parties will field the best candidates.
Yeah.
And people of abanama ethics and naba credible.
Yeah.
But now, if you have noticed, light ekwini nje, I think 40% of the councillors are people nje othola ukuthi
They can't read the basic report.
They don't know whether they are coming or going, by the way. If you look at them. Izoland back ne full council sitting nje. Ngeke ngaloka in kancane angisazi bengifuna ukubuka in bengifuna ukubuka isha seShaka because iShaka might be retrenching his staff soon. So I wanted to see ukuthi baya approve and they issue there. I was turned off because ngala nakhona leli bandla belingala beloku limemeza nje. Yabona mark debate or something balothi awukahle wena. Yeah, so and then I would have wasted my time bekule nto leya. But kuningi kufanele sikwenze. But anyway, proceed Mr. Mncube.
Yeah, I think right Mavuso ekuthenini i-constitution ithi nje kuphela kumele kube ukuthi umuntu mase ngoqualify ukuvota. That's all. You can be a councillor. But here's the thing. The problems is now won't be resolved by the laws. Will be resolved by leadership of political parties.
I see.
Because remember, ayikho into evimba i-political party kweyayo i-process ezothi we are now putting a filter ethi to be a councillor you must have a matric. Remember parties analo okwayo kwayo wephatha ngithi remember join organization ujoina we are volunteer.
Yeah.
So i-constitution say it to be a councillor you must have level 3 or whatever. Uyabona or mhlambe ithi you must have a diploma or matric minimum.
Yeah.
There's nothing illegal about that because it's a constitution essay. It's our processes.
I see.
Now, then you zobuka ke ukuthi akhona ama parties, especially where you go through interviews to become a public rep. Now, those interviews enzelwana to make sure ukuthi you are fit and also have what it takes to become a councillor, right? Now, ngicabanga ukuthi problem akuyona problem constitution, problem ama parties.
Exactly.
Ukuthi ubanika nabantu ngoba abantu before bevota unfortunately banika ama parties ama candidates.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's I think it dies. But I think banokuthi abantu argument bezothi I but were oppressed.
Yes.
Khona abantu abangafundanga nani.
No,
But
has been
today
dead now.
and West let me tell you one thing, Fethu. And West kunomuntu oseyikhansela for 20 years. Do you know ukuthi government avail imali for ama council kuyofunda?
They have all the resources.
For free. Yabona?
In fact, some councillors they get this lama router lawa. I think anensavu data. You know what they use this data? I mean le router lenu thola se connect amagidango mabo to log in Facebook athu abantu. Babuke neingoma zomaskandi nani ku YouTube ya.
Bona lalela ikhansela ngokwama requirement akasalga must have a laptop. Kunama councillor to date ongathi akavula laptop manje ayivula.
Ngeke azayivula akazothi on waphi.
Yabo? Akazifunike enzini kodwa unayo.
Kodwa every year bayawashintsha lama
Yabo.
laptop.
So now
adlala nomculo.
So now issue yami ngempethu ukuthi angisho ukuthi we should discriminate abantu ngokungafundi kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi iproblem kune impact.
Yes.
Ngoba lana ikhansela kahle ifana nabantu board.
I see.
Where CEO of a company come and present with board.
Yeah.
Now if CEO present with board ngama finances in a company i-board must be able to understand ukuthi uthini lo muntu lona. Uyabona? You can't have just abantu nje yes. Inkinga nawo njengamanje uba ne pool yama councillor azi nje ukuthi agree with agenda, adopt.
Exactly.
That's all. You will never hear them saying anything. But the problem ekhona ke again. The problem started from my leaders. Ama leaders awabafuna abantu abazoba-challenge ngokucabanga.
Exactly.
Yabona? Now uthola ukuthi umuntu khathi kwenziwa i-recruitment yamakhansela kwi-organization uzofielda abantu azi ukuthi bazoba nje yes bakhe ngoba
impabanga
zakhe yabona. So i-problem esikuyona is man created. Uyabona, because ufaka abantu labo ufuna bezowena hayi labo zokuchallenge. Now i-problem khona mase belapha nabenzi kahle. Ekenze example, you know la nje KZN you can phone or amakhansela nje just randomly from amakhansela mhlambe nje ubuza ukuthi what's your gearing ratio in your municipality.
Yeah.
The ratio is on the agenda every month. They never tell you.
They will never tell you.
kanti benzani lapha
Ngani ngisho nje.
Mawufuna ukubona trenzani loga in now ku Facebook ucheck i-Facebook page kamasipala they were live noma i-YouTube account yabo
muphi masipala
la eThekwini.
Ethekwini.
okay
Bekune full cancel thing izolo.
Yeah.
It was a joke. Iphele late and I think about 6-7. Ayikho into ebidiscusswa lapha khona bebethuka ngalabantu base jointing. Khona bebejaye ukuthi akuvote mase discuss item bathi ayasivote speaker.
Eh.
Votelani.
Abafuna yabona afuna ukukhuluma uthi uyakhuluma
Just vote.
lalela yabona izolo mawubuka izolo I spoke about how we should play oversight
yeah
and talking about accountability
Yeah.
and why is it to be transparent.
yeah
You know what they say when we talk about being accountable as councillors and ensure there's transparency and play oversight.
Yeah.
But ngithi mina kune corruption.
hayi it's okay
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
check their
But it's point of order. It's point of order. Yabo.
Check their YouTube channel.
So no tell vari but what's point of order but the point mfowethu ithi omasipala lama ratios engikhuluma ngawo
Yeah.
are presented ngoba kuyicriteria wonke umasipala ukuthi CFO kumele presente kanje
Yeah.
amafanizo omasipala
Yeah.
but umasipala uthi umasipala usuya collapse amakhansela bengazi kodwa ireport iphambi kwabo iphambi yiko ngithi ke imfundo ibaleke lapho ke ekuthenini are you able to play oversight are you able to appreciate into phambi kwakho uyabona kufika ibudget remember ibudget omeya basobethu ibudget abayenzi budget yenziwa ama officials
yeah
yabona now ubona uma esekhuluma lapha nje sethi hey ngithula imali mina nginika imali akazi ukuthi lento yenziwe kanjani futhi umuntu umeya thayi mina understand kwale budget le yabo now uyacabanga kini une budget ka 71 billion eThekwini
yeah
now uma unamakhansela 60% of amakhansela eThekwini mhlawumbe ngakwazi ukinterpret these things.
Yeah.
How do you expect umkhandlu wenze
In
kahle?
fact, there are 70% of them.
Yabo.
They
That's a
can't,
problem. Yeah.
They struggle to, because you can read anyway. You have to comprehend. What,
you have to comprehend
But kuwesike emakhaya. Kuwesike emakhaya. Because some officials abona basemakhaya laba basemakhaya.
Masipala
Kuwes.
kuwes, yeah.
Lalela ukuthi lento engafundwa amakhansela
njenganganongoma nje
it entrench corruption because some officials ayazi. Yabo mafika lapha nje ikhuluma ngesingisi nje. Ngeke sakuphendule. Benza njalo. Emakhaya mafika official ikhuluma ngesingisi bayazi ngeke bekubuze imibuzo. Yabo ushama ama serious.
bazothi asivote lo bazothi adopt
But yabo kuma ngesingisi ayi right hiyo just adopt agree. Yabo.
Zokele ngeke sikudedele lapha singawubuzanga umbuzo obalekile kuwena eKZN sikwaze ngeDA and uke waba ubuso beDA for isikhathi eside and akekho omunye umuntu ngicabanga ukuthi wayena umuzwa ubani lokho engifona
Intombi eningi.
akusiyintombi enye ingane ngadlala
Anoni kama intombi eningi ke mfazi wesibili
no akuna ayilutho akeze ngimthathe for
Safuna sibe
hayi ngimfuna nambe khona ngiright ngalo yedwa unkosikazi yedwa nje uyishume yedwa yedwa akemfundo lo so zokele sikwaze kakhulu ngeqembu leDA and besingaze sibe nomuzo ukuthi mhlambe ngalishiya yini because it was more than just ipolitiki kubuya ngathi why engraver iDA into your system you a DA mawhamba and I remember we used to make jokes when we candidate kuba yini kanje premier for iDA so we thought at some point uzobuya kwisifundazwe uzoserve wherever you're going to serve but you'll be serving under iDA. What happened between you and the DA? Bakuxosha?
Hayi lutho. Lutho. But mfethu ku DA ngihambe nini kuphela 2 years
Yes.
3 years sangibuza lo nto DA
Yes, because we don't know.
Because people are abazi ngoba
bayazi abantu
No,
No, only a few.
No,
Eh?
no.
Only a few.
Tell us ke thina singazi.
no bayazi abantu look mfethu I think you know sometimes isikole besize kancane lapho ekuthini you get to analyze izinto.
Yes.
You know when mina I joined politics
Yeah.
ngijoyine ngoba I believed in something
Okay.
and nginento ethi kuyipolitiki I must align ideologically. So now I had to look at my parties akhona. Mina I've never joined any party. Ngizwa ukuthi abantu ngajoin. Ngazi mina ngangiqajoin iqembu leDA.
Yeah.
Never been any party. Yebo phela sikhule emakhaya.
Yes.
Uyabona? Sikhule emakhaya, phansi induku,
Yeah.
amaqembu kakini sambe nalo.
Why
So now,
why iqembu lami?
hayi ukuthi angaze ngibe member.
Angilali iqembu. Ngase ngibe neqembu.
So I've never been a member. Ngangiqala, but as umuntu ekhula you start to be politically conscious. You say okay fine.
Yeah.
There's left and right.
Yeah.
Uthi uyabheka ngalana kwa left khona laba kwa right khona laba but
akekho ne-interest
ubani
ye-country
abala
abantu.
yeah ubani abala in the middle
Yeah.
uyabona because one thing I can never lie mina ukuthi mina I'm a social democrat so I part of me I'm a capitalist
I see.
right
Yeah.
part of me being capitalist doesn't mean you anti-poor as well.
I see. Yeah.
Yabo. That's what misunderstanding ideology. So now kumina khona ukuthi I believe ukuthi if I want to do into engifuna ukuyenza
Yeah.
state mustn't be over me and control me kakhulu, must allow me ukuthi ngizenzele ngifuna ukuyenza. That's what I believe. Mafuna business angabi nama red tapes
Yeah.
azongivimba because of ama views omunye umuntu yabo. So now at that time I felt ukuthi because remember it ikiya ngathi ilento lena esiyifunayo
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
But as time goes by uyabona man so analyze man kwenzakalani yabo. But I think mina iDA ngihambe kuyona vele sengingakuthi I want to be out of politics
I see.
yabo ngoba sengibona ukuthi hayi lento ngathi ayiyona into
Ucabangayo.
engicabangayo
Yeah.
but ngeke ngize ngithi khonto embi eyenziwa iDA kumina except for individuals yabona for example ukuthi khona it can be hateful
Yeah.
kwesinye isikhathi emazenzeka.
Who are those individuals?
No, I'm just an example. Yabona. You know, typical example
Yeah.
where one guy I won a conference under very difficult conditions.
Yeah.
Wayenginya ke uMavuso la conference le. Wayesebenza nabantu abebengilwisa. Akasasho.
Omunye abantu abasebenzisa ukuthi ungakawuhambe.
So beside izinto ezenzeka mfethu, but jokingly in reality after that conference you know khona izinto that ehlalayo kuwena there's a guy engezwa ngase ngithola i-report ukuthi he was sitting with someone at port and this guy was saying he's so angry with ama delegates. How can they vote someone ogqoka animal skin? Yeah, yabona. Then you're saying this is a senior person in my organization. This is how these people see me. Uyabona? So these things ezincane, this just ukwala nje. Abantu, but it doesn't mean ukuthi in the organization, uyabona?
If you are.
But if you are, but it become an issue because it's a senior person in the organization. But I think into eyaba nje the last 10 of sasi kwi executive who resigned uLokuzana kuhamba uMusi. And then was discussing, remember what Musi kwabuya uHelen.
Yes.
Then in a meeting uHelen athi kukhuluma nje ama dynamics ke manje ke.
Yeah.
I think elections 20 band. Elections ngahlukene. We didn't do well. Which election was that? Leka Musi.
Yeah, Musi ngiyakhumbula
Yeah. That election. So when you do a review, my results, you know. So now, athi Helen in that meeting, this is so bad. We have tried everything to get black votes. But khona igama likhuluma elahlala kumina. Wathi we even tried token leaders. It took me. Yahlala kumina mfethu. But ayihlalanga kuphela angithulanga mina. Mina ngumuntu phela oyikhuluma ke mina ke. I call that order.
So token leaders.
Yeah, no washo kanje. No, washo kanje. Na ifika kuphike lokho. Wathi we have tried everything to gain black votes and we are failing even after trying token leaders. That's a word she used. So I stood up.
And you saw yourself
No, mina ke ngithi mina ngumuntu ongasabi ukukhuluma.
Yeah.
I bombed after that meeting. Yami meeting, yama say meeting. Kwathiwa kuyo break in. Ngoba I couldn't take it. Yabo. Okay, there were other black leaders. Basekhona baba ngiyabona baba right mina I couldn't take it.
Yeah.
But I didn't leave that time. But I'm ngikhomisa izinto ezangenza because I stood up ngathi I can't take this. For me I think it's in the science. Because I was elected through the conference.
Yes.
Mina ngawina. I remember ngwina even Mus was against me. Mina ngwina. Even Mus my man was against my first election ngwina at KZN.
But you took offense in what they were
I took
to
offense.
him.
Not only him because remember why ngathi we've tried a token leader.
Token leaders.
Leaders. Remember at that time EDA my leaders amnyama kuma.
I remember the time.
So there was no way ukuthi lento leyo ayisho nakumina. Isho kithi sonke.
Let me draft this.
So then what I did, I approached her in that meeting. Good look, I take offense of this statement. Yeah, one. And because at that time I was too emotional.
Yeah.
I walked out of the meeting. And we had to reconvene a meeting. Kwakhulunywa wasn't cut down, trying to say no, I'm sorry. She apologized. Even she realized ukuthi even though she apologized in the meeting, I was very angry. She sent me a message even after that. Look, Sogel, I'm sorry. Whatever, trying to apologize in mean whatever. But for me, even if you can say you are sorry, remember?
Yeah.
Uhleli phambi kwami nangihlengala.
Yeah.
I can see you in your face.
Uphunyuka ingaphakathi.
Uphunyuka, ikwena. Yabona. So now I think from then mfethu ngaqala ngase ngiba nento ethi man it is what I subscribe to. Uyabona. So ngizama kuba nje izinto ezenzeke ezengenza ngibuye ngibuka ukuthi right. Nanokuthi for example uthi umanzora nama campaign mfethu kube nendawo zothiwa no lapha ama resources. Because I think from there I was clear ukuthi we are no more gonna get support to campaign eindaweni zasemakhaya kakhulu uma kune feeling with leadership. Yabo. And enye into ke remember la mina one thing abantu abangayazi. Mina ngangena kwi Black Caucus. Kodwa Black Caucus lapha ngasikhuluma ngabe seshala phansi babengayazi abantu abaningi. Ngangena kwi Black Caucus mina ke ningakabi na ikhansela. Yabo. My first meeting eBlack Caucus ngangikhona. Enzelwe endlini kaLinde.
Indiwe
Mazibuko, yeah.
Okay.
So I was part of
yayinobani le Black Caucus yayinabo
Sibaningi,
Mantuli as well.
Yeah, sibaningi.
And
Yeah, umbali, yeah.
Sibaningi. But wona sell out because wawuthi ufike meeting ye council usebeyazo Helen behlangene. Une meeting yazo ubhali ne Black Caucus.
That's why nokho bathi hamba niyofunda. Ikinga eningi akuthiwa yogeleza.
So but nakhona it was more remember ukuthi le nto engasho ukuthi there was a grouping anti other races. It was a matter of how do we champion the cause of black people within the system and show that our policies reflect South Africa that we want.
Oh yes.
And that is why like today, you see, what I enjoy with Action SA.
Yeah.
Ukuthi I don't need to justify myself.
Oh yes.
Yabona
You are just-
about yini ufuneka yenzeke.
Exactly.
Isebenza nabantu abanderstandayo ukuthi our country idinga
Ini
ini.
nani,
Yabona.
yeah.
So to a point ukuthi mina ukumele wa Action SA ukuthi uHerman is a phone call away from me.
Yeah.
If konke ngayiqondi kahle Herman I don't understand this. Uyabona.
Please clarify.
Herman ilomholo okwazi ukuthi umchallenge kuma views akhe. And futhi uma ebona ukuthi I know lento ishow yenza sense uzokulalela futhi no sengiyakuzwa. Uyabo. So abanye abaholi mfethu abachallengeki. Because mase show into kuyena useshilo ubaba hawo awusakwazi ukuthini yabo. Yena uyakwazi kumchallenge ukuthi hayi indoda ngathi akuhambe kahle la. Why are you saying this? Uyabona. Why you think should do ABCDE? So example you see kunama views the policy views or to help man was strong on kuona but through ama engagements kuma police conference wayekwazi ukufika amukela ukuthi I know I'm defeated
Yeah.
by democracy. So for me, I enjoy that space. Yeah, so but end of the day, even I know ukuthi I do agree into eningi obelievela kuzona.
Yeah.
Kodwa can you commit ukuthi uyangazi ngiseva nami kwi structure wayeseva nami exactly mina uyangazi ukuthi I'm open nangikwazi ukuthula ke mina ke izinkinga yami leyo ke I speak my mind so ngiyasithanda space mangisona I must able to speak my mind yabo that's the thing I want to speak my mind and I'm always saying I can't be in a space where ngizovaleka khona so sengizofuna ngisaba ukukhuluma ezinye izinto I must say whatever ngifuna ukusho ungazi ungitshela imali ngisakwazi ukukhuluma lokho ngisakwazi ukwenza lokho mina there were so many times where kwadi I'm censored ukukhuluma ngento
samana agenda nayo
so 10 manje uyakwazi usho kanje yabo so you must always be free so I'm free I think I'm in a space where I'm free you can see now even namanje abantu abaningi abanye they never knew some of my views into eningi but now sebeyazazi because I'm free to speak anything I want
A quick one. If you are still with DA, were you gonna be happy about the DA joining the GNU and the GPU?
I don't think so. I think even now mfethu uyabona into ye GNU was big issue and very compromising but by the way I think circumstances would have changed uyabona it's very tough question to be honest ngoba I think a country find itself in a position where you do this things go bad you don't do it so you have to make those kind of difficult choices as leaders
MK party ne EFF ne ANC under one roof it will have
so ingakuthi it was a very complex position to be in ngenze example njengamanje if you ask me do I believe Action SA should be part of GNU now answer is no do I believe if DA comes out of GNU, should Action SA be part of GNU? I believe so. I don't believe I strongly believe you need a strong opposition.
I see.
Regardless. That's always my view.
So you're seeing DA being with GNU, we don't have a strong opposition.
Hence, Action SA, with only 6 members, have become a strong opposition in parliament. Even now, kunaphatha amakhulu kune-Action SA parliament ukwezwa thini about what's happening in the country.
Kuluma MKP.
Action SA has played a bigger role in South African politics with only 6 members. Abantu abazi 6 members only Action SA, but once the number of 60 with only 6 members because we understand the role of opposition.
Oh yes.
So hence I'm saying EDA was always good as an opposition party. Now when you get to government, you can't then all go to government. You need opposition to be a watchdog, you know. So yikho ngithi ke afuna khona mawuthi ufuna ukhanda uhulumeni. Then if it is out, then it's fine. We can then be in government. So therefore, I second lento yokuthi you will never work with the ANC, you know, because the country have taken some compromises. I see. And I think the country, for the sake of the country, will take a compromise. But if you look at KZN, KZN is collapsing. There's no opposition in KZN.
Effectively, there's no
opposition in KZN. Mfethu, there are critical issues. Look at the debates. Akhona in KZN. Ubuye nje for example, issue ayiqala manje issue nutrition. When kunenkinga ye leya company leya eyayishiwe ikhandiwe leya yes. Who was the issue? It was myself outside of legislature. I was outside. And no other party was joining that issue. Who are in legislature? Kwasho Dimitri Ibedlela. Who was fighting with the MEC? Only myself. It became a fight with me and MEC.
What we have been sent to the campaign here.
Exactly.
It's the same argument she made in court yesterday. Yabona leya court hearing man bengifisa uthi record. It was a circus. The judge benhleka lapha ama-arguments abameli lapha.
But then why is opposition? Even namanje mfethu, why is opposition? Because end of the day, let's be honest. Mancane amathuba khona ngayenza umphemba mfethu. Ngalezinto lezi. Umphemba lapha uncikisiwe. Yabo. So
that's what I said the other day ukuthi izandla zikaNtuli they are tied. You can demand ama-reports and say no, I want to, but if the ANC decide not to recall uNomagugweni uHlomuka,
ayikho angayenza.
ayikho into azoyenza.
Uyabona uRamaphosa manje isibindi unaso. Why nesibindi? Is because utestile nama options.
Ukuthi mayiphuma iDA.
Remember ukuthi waba nama vote critical. Yathi mayiphuma iDA ethi yahlehla wathola o-action SA nabanye bayisupport ngani yaphasa. Wabona hayi I can Gavin. uNtuli can Gavin.
Yeah, uNtuli in fact
is out. Mathu abavote.
In fact given iANC le khona ne MK party you rather go with the deadwood yama ANC the deadwoods rather ANC because bona kune stability lapha ke MK ungaphoint weMC namhla next week sebamrecallile so uzwakele is right usho nje lento bengisho last week kuwena ukuthi let's be honest uNtuli ngeke enze lutho
engasho nje uzophenya akuzoyiphenya mathi ufuna uphenya ngempela
phenya enze report but iANC mayithe nje no asibarecall laba ngeke azabenze lutho you remember ukuthi lapha ke ANC even within iPTT there are still those who believe ukuthi they should be working with the MK the EFF regardless of whether the province will collapse or not. Remember that some of these guys they don't care about the province like you and Ukini and everybody else. It's all about ukuthi bona they will be paid, they will be able to loot and they will be able to take their kids to Westville High School. They will be able to go to Enet Care. They don't care about ibedlela ukuthi SN Benedict Dixon ukhona imithi. Okay, no, they don't care about that. Hence, I'm sure you have noticed the conduct about some of them even on social media. Abayifuna GPU ngoba GPU bafala amathuba ongitshontsha. That's one thing they want. Yeah. So one misstep by uNtuli, he will be out. We will be having government ANC, MK and EFF and that would be disaster.
Yabona iGPU there are pros and cons.
Exactly.
Because on the other part njengoba esho uMavuso khona la ithi khona okay abantu babuye begange besabe kodwa futhi enye into eyenza begange abanye ingoba sebeyabona ukuthi akho umuntu banakile yabo because in the problem condition njengamanje there is no opposition unalokho saba abantwana nabo ngaphakathi ukuthi ish mangenza nje izothi iDA uthi ndaba yabo so kodwa akayisabi opposition ngoba yikho is dead yabo kanti mangine opposition uyazi ukuthi ish yabona ne watchdog la ngabanjwa lana ngisenkingeni yabo so icase we trouble ngalo ndlela leyo ukuthi unoprime ngempela his hands are tied to a point ukuthi kahle abantu abomsiza kule nkinga abhekene nayo ukuthi ANC mhlambe ithi ke yona ayi sicela ubakhipha sifaka abantu bayofaka abantu ngoba zonke ziyayifanele izinto lezi
besides that ke any challenge abanayo ANC ile challenge conference they have to elect a structure as a province and then aphume lapho loyo muntu. Now the other challenge is ama branch ANC afana nende ngekho manje mawungathi aklala ama BGM manje kungangcwatshwa ngaba nezidumbu yabo so now they are between a hard place and a rock. They keep uNomagugu noHlomuka as tainted as they are and they do more damage to the credibility of esasele ngala nabana le challenge ukuthi makuhlaliswa ama BGM kuyabulawana kushanwa ngehlano yabo a conference ya delay ngala noNomagugu noHlomuka baqhubeka bayabulala so iANC isenkingeni enkulu more than any other political party. That's why ngithi mina iMK party next year is going to do well. eThekwini they will be the largest party. They won't be majority, but they will be the largest political party.
Phela sibalance. Okay. Ngifuna abantu bazokhula
Before
abantu nathi abantu bangipolitiki abantu
bengisafuna ukubuyela lo
manje I'm working hard.
Yes.
I'm working hard to build a foundation.
I see.
I think the problem, must be honest with you, the problem that I picked up with Action SA, I think most parties do the same problem, mistakes. Leyo ukuthi i-organization uma ingenabo abantu abaloyal we-ground,
exactly,
it become an issue. Trust me, social media are reliable. There's not a constituency social media. There's not a constituency social media because social media bakanje bashintshiswa nje ukuthi namhlanje ubhale ipost ebanyenyisayo nje mhlawumbe ukhulume kabi ngesithembu kanti umkhandi isithembu yena umluzile ngiyakuvota kusasa the social media for you.
I see.
So I think njengamanje what I'm focusing on is to build ama structures
ground.
and the branches, but also what I'm going to be doing with KZN.
Yeah.
Ile nto yokuthi I've realized ukuthi na kuma last election we stretched too wide. And you must go deeper as a party. Esukisa incane.
I see.
One thing that can happen bethu ukuthi iqembu lincane njenge Action SA noma liselisha it's very difficult ukuthi ungaba nenxabo all over. True. So into abathi manje ukuthi na where
focus eThekwini,
focus indawo ethize
eLembeni
Kufanele nibe
strong,
nama
yes.
centers.
Ibe ne base.
Exactly,
Uyabona.
yeah.
Then from that base then uyakhula ke uyabona. So in the next election njengamanje I'm still analyzing ukuthi where can we have a base outside eThekwini, for example, now what was Newcastle, which other municipalities we can contest, because one thing I can tell you, Kin, uyo contesta umasipala sempendle, for example. Ngenze example empendle. Impendle,
You're wasting our resources.
what cost me to get there?
Banama vote, banama wata 5 or 6.
Uyabo. So now I must look at ukuthi mangifaka lapha yana kuzovimbwa ini. Umhlaba ufetha kangana umhlaba. Ngoba uma vota kanjalo amavoti. Uyabona, is it worth? Uyabo. Yes, maybe over time.
Yeah.
Uyabo. Kodwa kwamanje strategy is let me start and focus Action SA endaweni ethize and be strong kulezo ndawo lezo. Uyabona, because it's tight competition vethu. Very tight.
I see.
Kodwa I think it is possible.
Very much.
But one thing about Masipala KZN,
Yeah.
I think I don't think about more than 20% who won't have a coalition arrangement. If ukhona.
No, all of them.
Yeah, almost,
yeah.
almost,
Yeah.
almost,
Yeah.
almost all of them.
yeah, all of
Because even where bekunama strongholds athize,
Akusekho le nto
we
strong.
siyibonile ukuthi into esingasekho.
Yiko bengithi wena iMK ikhombisile. Even emngeni MK yayishapha nsi DA. Yabo. Despite purpose to ungeni MK upapa ehamba le phezulu. Yabona social media. Into ehamba phezulu mshapha nsi.
Do you know ukuthi IFP lost the hostel akwaMashu what 45 for the first time last year. They lost that 42 MK.
Yeah.
But mawuya lapha uyomonitor ngimonitor lezi iNorth mina. Mawuya lapha wonke umuntu wayifaka iskipper senkatha. Kodwa wathi mase kubalwa lapha iMK yaphuma no 75%. Yo. Wona ekube kwakama local government elections lawa ngabe kune councillor le MK ehostel.
Wekin
I remember ngikhumbula ekseni I was speaking to Khuleka Nshandu. I think it was before 10%. Ngathi nakonakele. Wathi yena hayi into encane u10% ngathi mina ngokwama votes akushintshi kakhulu masoke kwathi 10%. Akugabe kusashintsha kakhulu.
hayi
Bese awuvula lo ube lo uyabona phambili ube lo kevule nje.
Yakavule nje kanjalo. Akusikho comrade marathon uthi uzokhathala.
Yabona bavuso mina kuneyindawo where we had party agent. But I could vote.
Yes.
How?
Exactly. Let that show mavuso about
For goodness sake, man, you know, uma party agent, you allocate the resources, bazulu ukudla nani, kodwa
wena awuvote wena.
ba uvotile.
Votile lo muntu.
Sekusho
Waya ku special vote.
kodwa lezi zintathu ezenza nje akekho nomuntu oyedwa obona ukuthi mina
Yiko ngithi mina mfethu yabona ama vote mfethu. Ask khombisa iflame sonke.
No, I remember.
Yeah, in fact le nto le uZuma akashaya ngeAction SA iphela washaya bonke abantu ngoba kodwa abantu abashaya kakhulu lapha kwaba iANC neFP. iANC omtolo they were so confident that they were going to win.
But I mean, I was worried about them. The level of confidence at that time, and what we were seeing, I was like, how? I even thought maybe they rig votes or something.
Kodwa kuyazi ukuthi nabo abantu beMK they were shocked performance yabo.
Yeah.
That's why they didn't have a candidate. Kaprim. Remember ukuthi bathi mabewina some of them were saying in fact nathi besingayilindele lena sisalinde ubaba athi asitshele ukuthi uzoboba candidate nabo they were shocked.
Yeah.
Bona babe contest abanako lokuthi vele ngoba bona mawubheke agenda yabo was to disrupt the ANC.
Yeah.
Yabona la kwaZulu Natal hayi kwangathi basithatha isifundazwe futhi ngeke ngisho nje bathi condense wala kwaZulu babehamba phambili abantu labo.
Hayi.
Even ne list yakhona abayenzanga ngendlela ukuthi they are preparing for government. They just did list for the sake of submit compliance.
Yeah.
IEC.
Yeah,
It was never done ukuthi we will be in government. I think it was coincident to be in government.
But ke lento yabo yokungahleleki inkosi yami yasilimaza isifundazwe nje either way uDG uformer DG uNgidi should have been part of the government beba behlelekile ngoba lama amanye ama political parties would have negotiated. Do you know how good that man is in terms of part nje running the government? Under him awabona ama scandals awabona ko Dr. Nonhlanhla Mkhize nani lama flop nje la ngathi ase primary school. The chap was good. So he should have been good even if angaseyena upremier, but nje kubabe khona cabinet and then should have stabilized the province. Remember what the province is broke, by the way.
We know that.
You need to stabilize.
We know that.
Yeah, no inamali province dead. Futhi angiboni pick up nje ngamanje.
No, not anytime soon.
Umgodi mkhulu.
Ngoba nje I think ukhokha nje imali engena kufanele uspend I think $1 billion to pay ama service providers that have not been paid since 2023. Arts and culture. Public works ufana nendefile. No transport, no human settlement.
Kube nomhlangano ama CFOs I think 3 months ago, 2 months ago. No, I think a month ago. I even got an email from Omoy. Kuyona bazocelwa ukuthi onke ama departments our contribute on their budget our bezokhetha kuphi ukusiza uhealth
Education.
Education. Yabo. So now ufuna compromise other service delivery areas for these 2 departments wa bankrupt, but the problem ubani wamoshayo ibona
Yeah.
yabo they bamosha ama department vethu must awuna mali ayikho imali ma department nomasipala ke ba collapsile mfowethu.
Exactly.
Umasipala collapsile uyabona the sad part about politics now is yigama ukuthi khona umasipala you ask yourself nje buka back to 5 years how many new projects in KZN
Awekho.
we are just managing nje manje so we make shift ukuthi nje kuthiwa kufanele kuthiwa kunento yamanzi you just go beyoshaya ama bridge kuthiwa basika ama ribbon nani asikenzakala mfethu.
Good. Zwakele because of isikhathi somele usekudedele njengamanje siyabonga kakhulu and siyafisa ukuthi ngelilanga futhi uphinde ubuye maybe uzobe usitshela ke ngamaziko la uzawuzama ukuthi uwagcobe wavule
Iziko ilanguage yakhe.
Yazi iziko so ngifuna inkeke athi ngiyathokoza
Ma political parties zine language yakho.
siyasala iziko sine branch iziko into yenu
Phela nantonipha umntwana kwaphinda angene.
manini ngineqembu mina
Cha asho njalo.
manje pho
Noma nawe usufuna ukuse Maritzburg unemali.
ngizolibopha
ungasifaka into zakho ungasifaka into siyakwazi
Usise Maritzburg nawe sinto eferi hlenge ijudge la.
ungasifaka into zakho thina asinako sisethembe asiyazi inkece asithokozi
Kumnyama sisho ukuthi ngisholo la. Kuba mnyama nje kumnyama. Kompisholo.
Ayike madoda siyathokoza asithokoze sisho ukuthi you can go to YouTube channel and subscribe uzokwazi ukuthola zonke lezi indaba. And also you can also suggest some of the guest office kuwabona ekufikile kuhlelo. I think Uzwakele is one guest that I'm so happy, I'm so excited ukuthi sibe naye. Angaze ngibe excited ukuhlala noMavuso nje. Angaze kumphathe kahle ke nje lokho. Siyabonga kakhulu mjaji.
siyabonga